Hello and welcome to Adobe Premiere Pro. This is Core Graphics and we're going to be going over some of the basic features in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so first upon opening Adobe Premiere Pro, we're going to run to this screen. You can choose the location of where you want your project to save at, video, all the other stuff. You can just leave all this at default. Don't worry about the scratch disk. You can name your project whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to call it Blog. And hit OK. And then your sequence presets are going to come up. Now I have a ton of codecs installed onto my computer. But depending on the size of your video that you're going to edit, I would typically choose Red, R, 3D. And then it has different resolutions. Like for example, if you got a 1080p video, you got 720p, 1K, 2K, 3K, etc., etc. Completely up to you. Most people, they use 720p, so go with that. And I'll select the 720p 16:9 with the 29.97 frame rate, and I'll go into my settings and I'll just change that to 30. So that way everything matches up perfectly. And then I'll just leave all this at default. Sequence 1, that's fine, and hit OK. So now we are in the main interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. First thing we're going to want to do is drag in a video, and I will do just that. So let's see here. Is that a video I want to drag in? Nope. It's the outro. I could have sworn I saved this file somewhere. Oh well. And now just going over some basic features that you'll probably use while using Adobe Premiere Pro is, first thing you'll need to learn is how to cut up your video. And we do that by using the razor tool. And so basically all I have to do is click wherever you want, and then it just cuts it up like that. And then you can completely rearrange how you want it. Like for example, whoops, did not mean to do that. For example, if you wanted to cut a small segment out, I'll just cut that little bit. Click right here, your selection tool, click it, delete. Then all you have to do is just highlight, just drag that out the way, and just bring it back. That's how we use the razor tool to slice up our bits and pieces of our video footage. This is our audio right down here. We can unlink it if we wanted to by selecting the bit that we want out, and then we just go to unlink. Now you can select the video or the audio without them being linked together. Let's undo that. And now getting into kind of a more advanced part, but not really too advanced, is the different layers that you can add with video 2, video 3, and so on. So if I wanted to add something else, let's see what I can get in here. Core graphics. And I will just add this little graphic right here. All I have to do is just take it from here, drag and drop it, and then boom, there it is. That's where your second layer is going to appear at. Now if you want to resize the layer, then all you have to do is click on that video or whatever is in the second layer that you want to resize. Make sure it's clicked, then go to motion, and then just turn down the scale. And now if you want to move it, all you have to do is be sure to lock any video layers that you don't want to move, and then just click, and then just move it over to where you want it to be. And if you want to decrease the opacity, then just do like so. Now some last final bits that you can do in Premiere Pro is some effects, some color correction, but we'll get into that into another video as far as the effects go. But we'll just go ahead and transition in and out. So we got video transition. I always go to dissolve, and then just click it, and then you drag and drop. So that puts that at the beginning of the video, and then just drag and drop at the end of the video. So that way it fades out nice and smoothly. And if you want to add music, you can do that. Let's see if I can find a music file on handy. There we go. Drag it, drop it right in there. And then all you have to do is just drag and drop. Like that. And if it's too loud, just click on it, right click, and then go to audio gain, and then go to adjust gain by, and now you can adjust the dB to your liking. Alright, so this has been a video on how to do some basic editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have been Core Graphics, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone.